Hello everybody and welcome back to Kelly Family Adventures. As the boys look, and Sarah, hello. Just thought we'd give you a room tour of our hotel here at, what's it called? Atlantis in Kos. It's a family room, so I'll just show you outside first. Look, little balcony. Leave the cat alone. If you look just down there beyond trees, it won't pick it up, but that's the sea and the beach.
Hello,
Oh boys, leave the cat alone please, you know Daddy don't like him.
Boys, put them water sprayers away.
So this is a room. Big bed for Sarah and the boys. Daddy's been kicked on this one because it only caters for 3 people unfortunately. But nice mirror, sideboard, TV for boys. We've got some nice, lots of wardrobe space in there. Aircon in room as standard. A little safe, more shelves, bedside tables and stuff. That's where the boys have put all the bits and bobs. Look, little stash there. There's the fridge. It's a decent size, as you can see. There's no light on it. It's got a freezer there, look. And this is the bathroom. I'm not quite sure why it's got a telephone there, but it's standard. It's okay. It's a lot better than the one we had in Crete. Big bath, big deep bath for the boys. And obviously a shower that hooks up there. So yeah, that was the room tour. Not massive room, but it'll do for us for 10 days. I will try and do one for Shelley and Sam's because they were mixed up in their room. Yeah, I'll tell you what, let me get my flip-flops on and I'll take you for a walk down the beach as well. So, yeah, when we got here at 3:30 this morning, someone I've already booked in as the same last name as Shelley and Sam, aunties, was coming with us. So they took their room and they got given the person's who was meant to be the other person's room. So now they've been upgraded. So they're over in the main building. Over in the main building now, and they're in the super deluxe, so they've got a kettle and everything, a nice balcony view overlooking mountains over there. Look how you can just make them out. We walk down that way to reception. But yeah, well, I'll have a walk. We'll have a walk down to the seafront because I've not been on beach yet. Alright, so I was just going to do a live and Insta while I'm walking around. But you see, it's nice, not bad little hotel. Look, these are like little bungalow things.
Guess what? No people there.
There's some people on beach, yeah. Harley's gone back. But yeah, it's nice, it's quiet. The time of day. It's about 5 o'clock-ish, I think. Come on, he's gone back. Come on. Yeah, so long travel day yesterday, very long. So I got Gatwick, we were delayed half an hour. Also, it was a case of get on plane and go. They didn't have much on food-wise on plane or anything like that. So it was just by the time I got here, they were not here. So we missed breakfast because we were all that tired. Had a lie-in. Of course you can. The sandals. So yeah, I'll show you on beach now. So come on, we'll walk back anyway now. Come on, because it's stone. I think that's Bodrum over there. Not quite sure. Zane? No, Zane, that's not for sand. Let's see what I can show you this way. Should we go for a walk this way? Can't see anyway, do you? So yeah, that was that video. Tomorrow we're going to Bodrum Market. So this way, come on. We're going to Bodrum Market here tomorrow, so we will film what we can over in Bodrum, boat trip and all that. We are planning on doing a 3-island hop as well. We might end up doing that Friday just before Paul and Dawn goes at Rest at Family. So yes, just stay tuned and we hope you enjoy what we're going to show you. Hit that like, subscribe button. Drop us a comment because we always like to talk to our followers and subscribers. Keep your eye on Instagram for updates while we're here. Thank you, bye.